In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote affiliate links on Google Ads. We'll walk through setting up a simple lead form asset so you can capture interested prospects directly from your ad and move them toward your affiliate offer in a compliant, trackable way. First, open your Google Ads account. If you're new to the platform, sign in at the usual place and make sure you're in the correct account for your business. Having a clear offer in mind and your affiliate program's guidelines handy will help you move quickly and stay compliant as you build. Once you're in, click Campaigns. This brings you to the workspace where your advertising lives. Even if you already have campaigns running, what we're focusing on today is an asset you can attach to your ads to collect leads right on Google, which is especially useful for affiliate marketing because it lets you build a relationship with the user before sending them to the offer. Next, click Assets. This opens the asset library where you manage add-ons like site links, images, and lead forms. Click the plus icon and select Lead Form. This is where the magic happens. You'll see fields for your business name, a compelling headline, and a short description. Keep your message clear and value-focused. Tell users exactly what they'll get and why it matters. Choose the questions you want to include in the form, such as name and email. Ask only for what you truly need. Shorter forms usually convert better. You'll also need to provide a privacy policy link to assure users their data is handled responsibly. Under Delivery Options, pick how you'd like to receive leads and consider adding a brief message on the submission screen that thanks users and sets expectations for what comes next. Now, select a call to action for your ad. Options like Sign Up, Get Offer, or Learn More can work well. Match the call to action to your offer and the stage of the customer journey. If you're promoting an affiliate product, a softer call to action like Learn More may attract more qualified clicks, while Sign Up can be effective if you're offering a bonus or newsletter to nurture the lead. When everything looks good, click Save. Your lead form asset is now ready to be attached to your ads. Remember, always align with Google Ads policies and your affiliate program's rules. Avoid misleading claims and ensure your final destination is trustworthy and relevant. With a focused lead form and a clear value proposition, you'll be set up to attract quality leads and guide them toward your affiliate offer.